It is time to export your gears. This will save a DXF file of your gear assembly, which you can extrude into a solid geometry for manufacturing. Later, Gearify will support direct exporting of STLs and other 3D file formats, but for now a 2D sketch is provided. The rule for exporting is that what you see is what you get. You can toggle the visibility of different gear instances and different attributes to include in your export, such as the teeth, pitch curves, gear centers, and more. If your gears include a non-zero backlash, the backlash checkbox will indicate if you want the gears shifted into their engagement position. Select which DXF version you want to use, and click the Export button. Save the file to the location of your choice. Some important options to note: you can adjust the rounding of your tooth tips prior to exporting, and also define the scale of your export. Click either of the available hyperlinks for tutorials on these topics.